Watch the rollers, gentlemen.
One minute, 15 seconds to mill time.
Dennis Weaver. PJ Foster.
1 minute to mill time.
All the way to the right. All the way.
45 seconds to mill time.
You wipe your hands on the top of your potato chip.
Seconds to mill time. Seconds to mill time.
Twenty-nine, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good start. Here's my leader. Seymour's on the inside. Down the back straightaway they go. Cut Louis on Dennis. Up. No, it's still going. All right, David's right here, followed by Art. PJ comes around the inside. Asks for the check. PJ on the outside, got a race on the back straightaway. Dave's on the inside, PJ's on the out. Around turn 2. Oh, what? No, crosses back over again, says maybe, and sounds different. Running third. PJ still sniffing around. Dave's not going to make it easy for him. He's out wide last lap.
Final lap.
He was going to try it there. He was going to try it.
Final lap. Final lap.
All right, here we go. First place. Oh, no! Dead boat right here in the launch area. Dead boat in the launch area. This is going to be second place to Art. And Mr. Hoover, we're going to give you a third place. These gentlemen, they cut the course and bring them in. Please come in parallel to the shore and watch the dead boat.
The race is completed.